This guide will all be about how to create and fully configure a ranch. Having a fully configured ranch is one of the most important steps in getting your FieldClock account set up so you can create jobs, track hours in piecework, and pay your employees. First, we'll create a payroll entity that your ranch will use. Then, we'll create a ranch using that payroll entity. By the end, you'll be fully set up to create jobs and get to work. Creating payroll entities. You should use a separate payroll entity for each business entity that will pay your employees. Many orchard operations have multiple companies that their employees are paid by. The first step is to create a payroll entity. You can create a new payroll entity by clicking Admin, then Payroll Entity, then New Payroll Entity. First, enter a name for your payroll entity. This could be the name of the corporate entity that will pay your employees. For instance, My Orchards LLC will pay my employees, so I will name the payroll entity after this company. Next, select the software that you pay your employees from. This will not affect employee pay, but will allow you to export payroll data in the best format for your software. Different payroll entities have different requirements. For instance, QuickBooks requires that you download and install the Web Connector file before you can map codes from your QuickBooks file to objects in FieldClock. Add any codes required by your payroll software. FieldClock displays human-readable names throughout its interface, but you should associate these with the appropriate codes from your payroll system for easy data transfer later. Creating your first ranch. Now that we've created a payroll entity, let's create our first ranch. From the main menu, click Ranches, then New Ranch. Enter your ranch name, select the payroll entity we just created, then select any varieties that are planted on this ranch. If you need to add a variety that's not shown here, you can add them later from the Admin section under the Varieties tab. To add borders to our ranch, simply click on your ranch borders area on the map. If a mistake is made, just tap the Clear Map button to start over. Once done, click Save to head to Ranch Details. If your ranch has any blocks, you can add them by clicking the Add Block button to the right. A block is just a specific part of your ranch. For instance, all of a variety of apple, such as Fuji's, might make up a block. Give your block a name, add any varieties, just like we did for our ranch, and finally, map out your block boundaries by clicking on the map.